Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noamira Fitri binti Ismail. My matric number B0920100055. I'm from BMMA, section 1/2. For the question number 1, how to use vernier caliper. So the function of vernier caliper is to measure outer dimension of the object using external jaws, inside dimension using internal jaws, and the dip. So how to use it? So first of all, you need to lose the thumb screw and then open the external jaws or internal jaws, and then place the specimen into the internal jaws or external jaws, and then read the first scale, which is main scale, and then the second scale, and then sum all the both scale. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will teach you how to read the value in vernier caliper scale. So here, this is the main scale, and then this is the second scale. So first we need to read the main scale, which is the zero line is perpendicular to the main scale. So here we know is 17, but is more to 18, so it will be 80. And then for the next scale, the second scale, we need to find the line which is perpendicular to the main scale. So here we will see here is 0.006. So how to calculate it? 18 plus 0.06. So the reading will be 18.06 millimeter. So for the question number 2, how to use head gauge, which is the function is determining the height of the object, and for the making of item to be worked on and used to measure the height of an object by using underside of the scriber as the datum. So how to use it? Use the adjustment clamp, and then move up the jaws and put the specimen beside the base under the jaws. So clamp tightly the adjustment clamp, then take the reading value as we take vernier caliper value, and then sum all the value that obtained. So next is how to use micrometer. So the function of micrometer is used to measure a small object like coin. So how to use it? So unlock the clamp and turn the timber to open the micrometer, then put the specimen between the anvil and spindle. Make sure the spindle lock the specimen between anvil. So turn the ratchet stop until click sound, read the sleeve value, read the timber value, and then sum all of the value. So the last question for question number 2 is how to use vertical and horizontal optical comparator. So these two machine is same, but the orientation are different. So the function of the machine is used to inspect and measure the dimension of small manufactured parts. So how to use it? So place the object on the stage, and then a scale is applied to the image projected enlarged on the screen to measure the dimension. Alternatively, you can use the X and Y stitched together and measure the dimension from the amount of movement. An optical comparator with a computerized calculation function, you can obtain various measurement results such as width, diameter, and angle by taking measurement point while moving the stage. So the procedure was same for the both machine. So the vertical optical comparator, which is used to measure vertical orientation object. So to operate the machine is just the same as horizontal machine, but this is in vertical orientation. So for the last question is question number 3 is firstly we need to do calibration process and then to calculate percentage error. So here we have the end eraser, which is the true value is the length is 20, the width is 20 and the thickness is 50. So here we need to measure the value of the eraser. So for the length is 16.5 and then for the width is 18.5 and then the thickness is 7.4. So for the measure value we need to take 3 times for every side. So for the average for length is 16.4, the width is 18.5 and the thickness is 7.3. So in the last part we need to calculate the percentage error, which is the formula is average minus true value over true value times 100%. So for the length is 16.4 minus 20 over 20 times 100 and we get 80%. For the width 18.5 minus 20 divided by 20 times 100 and we get 7.5%. Then the lastly is for the thickness 7.3 minus 15 divided by 15 times 100 and we get 51.3%.